Hi friends, this is Ganesh Naik, and based on my conversation with a lot of people, a lot of students who have cleared this May 2022 exam, okay, one thing which I noticed from while talking to them is that a lot of people were keeping a separate rough book as a part of their preparation, and what they were doing with that rough book, primarily wherever they were reading the content, wherever they were watching the videos, or wherever they were solving the question bank, if they have found out any one particular concept like which is slightly different or slightly not being covered in the book, they will write down that concept in that rough book. Second important thing that they were also doing is that whenever they find anything interesting or anything important which they feel this might get tested in the exam, they're just making a short note of it. Now, how this book is helping them while doing the revision with the treasure book, they're also doing the revision with their own notes or the own pointers that they have got. So if you want to make your life simple, follow the step, follow the process, and this will help you to enhance your preparation for the FRM exam. I hope this video is interesting for you and it is helping you in your preparation. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel.